Don't miss the action. See the Demolition Derby at the Prince William County Fair, Friday, August 14th, Wednesday, August 19th, and Thursday, August 20th in the Grandstand at 7 p.m. There's plenty more fun, too. Wine tastings in the commercial building, No Joe's Circus, Jeff Robbins Mountain Music, Welde's Big Bear Show, and more. Fun sights, sounds, food, rides, and more, framed in classic Americana at Virginia's largest county fair, conveniently located in Manassas. And like the fair on Facebook for free information, updates, and more.